Good morning, internet. What's happening? You know what you gotta do? You gotta take in the little things life gives you that makes you feel good. Like for me, it's a brand new tube of toothpaste. So long, MFer. I'm tired of trying to squeeze ya.
Mark Johnson! Mark Johnson! Mark Johnson! Mark! It's me! Can't you take me to a better place? I'm not the same person that I was in 12 years ago. Can't you take me to a better place? Looking at my friends, they'll still recognize my face. I'm talking about fat sex, cola sex, cake parties, you whatever.
Toilet flush, toilet flush, toilet flush, toilet flush. So, I'm not gonna do anything today. My sister has a baby shower coming up, so I have to help my mom move a bunch of chairs. So we're going into the country club to my aunt's house where the baby shower is gonna be held. And it's a pretty freaking sweet house. It used to have like a theater room, like a movie like theater, but I think they had a flood, so like a bunch of stuff had to get redone. So if you guys were commenting like if you're new to the show that you don't know the comedy channel, and the comedy channel is on my channel in the favorites. So if you just go to my channel and then you scroll down and you see my other cool channels, there's Crazy Kate on there, Christopher Robin, Bestology. I'm at the top. My comedy channel's at the top. So leaves are changing colors. It's awesome.
Top to the sea, rocky top in the sea. Wishing I was on the rocky top down in the Tennessee hills. Ain't no smoggy smoke, the rocky top, there ain't no telephone bill. Rocky top, it'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old rocky top Tennessee.
Back home, doesn't Brian have an angelic voice? I want to play a song for you right now. It's by Bo Burnham, hilarious comedian, and I just learned this song, so I want to play it.
I'm a feminine Eminem, a slim shady lady. Nice cause I texted Haiti. 90 lady, cops on the road, arrested for doing 80. Like Hamlet, all about words, words, words. In the thirds, I'm a gay sea otter. I blow other dudes out of the water. I'm the main man, muffin, diving, puffing, scruffing, Arctic puffin'. And wacky to backy, hating other rappers like Eli to Backy. Way before the times of electricity. Way back in the 1000 fucking BCE. And that's before the comet
Common, error, oh. I can't be stopped, flow so sick, they need to be mopped up. I got a Dixie cup, I got a dick full of helium, I'll fuck you up. Yo, you need to relax. 2 things about me, here's 2 facts. I hate catchy choruses. I'm a hypocrite, hungry hypocrite. I had sex with a girl named Macy, had sex with her all day, but she was dyslexic, so we did the YMCA. I like Bo Burnham's stand-up, if you see it on Netflix, where he's like, my girlfriend used to do the weirdest thing. She used to like to dress up like herself and act like a fucking bitch all the time. Funny stuff, Bo Burnham, funny stuff. Look at this freaking lunch, I don't even want to eat it, it looks so perfect. And a nice glass of nutritious milk, because you should drink your milk every day. So I'm at my aunt's house right now, helping my mom with some stuff. But this house over here, right there, that used to be Bernie Mac's old house, so that's a little food for thought. Ew, someone's mommy bought him Steak and Shake. I'm hardcore.
No, I feel like I'm gonna mess up now.
I'm a gangster.
No. I'm scared I'm gonna poke your eye.
Just do it.
Oh God! Oh my God! Who does that?
Just do it.
Okay. This will be like high school again, babe.
No, don't put actual eyeliner on me. I want a gangster teardrop.
Oh. You said you wanted. We're gonna do cat eyes.
I was being facetious.
Facetious? You don't even use that word.
I just did.
That doesn't really look like a teardrop. I filled it in though. It looks really good.
Does it look like a teardrop?
Kind
Let me see it.
I'm kind of nervous for you to see it now.
My mom would kill me if she saw it.
She's gonna come down and be like, what was that noise? Make yourself turn, like, shift your body so you turn more. You look stupid. I don't know.
Could be Spice Girls.
Do Spice Girls. Go.
If you wanna be my lover, gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friends and never end. I'm gonna start off really far away. Ready? Boy, you got my heartbeat running away, beating like a bomb, but it's going away. Can't you hear that boom, 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 baby, boom, boom, baby, boom, 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 baby, super bad, boom, 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 boom. Alright,
hold on. It's probably gonna one. Okay. Okay, I'll just take Greg your wrist. Ready? Go. Okay.
Hey, wait, let me do this real quick.
Put it right there.
Right there? Okay.
Yeah, okay. Is my foot in the right spot?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Go. Oh God, now I'm nervous. Oh God, you're not centered. Okay. Go. Ready. Oh wait, this is not right.
Alright,
ready?
Go.
Oh God. Go. Oh my God, this is the best one so far.
Tongue twister of the night. Try this, right? Try and say splooge as many times. Splooge, 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 splooge. It's not that hard after you get there.
It is though. Just do it. You do it faster. You're
splooge, 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 splooge.
Splooge, 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 splooge.
Splooge, 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 splooge. They do. They have teeth and they...
You're gonna fall. Oh God, don't do it loud. Ew. Mom's definitely gonna notice that mark on the wall. Ew. Ew, get it away from me. I hate, no, get it. I'm putting your flip. It's gonna go on the flip. It's gonna go, oh my God, don't do that. Oh my God, take it away from me.
I don't like bugs, I don't fuck with bugs.